Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar extended its rebound from the mid 66 cents region last week, recovering from a 1-month low and gaining positive traction for the second consecutive day on Friday. And from there, it's still tackling this 60-day moving average. However, given the fact that the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, retreats from an 11-week high of 103.74 and closing in New York at 103.43, does give further potential. The market may push on for 2 further heights this week, especially the fact given that the bullish divergence is also supporting the rise. Looking to the top side, a break of 67.15 should give further scope towards 67.65 to 68 cents and reassess from there. Any pullback? Well, like previously seen here, the support level at 66.75 has proven a tough challenge, and any return towards this level may do so again, and therefore the bulls will likely to be defending this region into this week. Moving on to the euro, the market has also rebounded. And as we can see here, the market is now showing further gains as the US dollar pulls back from 103.74 to 103.45. Since its descent from 112, it's now time for a correction as the ADX is overheating and therefore could see a stronger rally onto this week. We see a break above the region of 109.45 and maybe onto 111 as a potential target. The RSI has rebounded but still needs to break through the midway point to support a further bullish case. No doubt the traders will be looking at the economic calendar somewhat light for this week. Looking at dollar yen, the market has shown a pullback after it struggles above the 150 area and now looking back for a potential downturn, considering the fact this RSI is matching up with the MACD to support divergence on this current rise and therefore looks towards a potential target of 148.1015. Any rematch to the top side still likely to struggle up near that 150 area. Turning to sterling, the market is also rebounded and as we can see here, has potential now to gain higher from the bounce of 129.60 and look on towards 130.70 and maybe onto 132 as a potential call. The gold also pushes high into uncharted territory and clears the level of 2,700 as the fact the market is still a little bit nervous ahead of the US election uncertainty and rate cut hopes. Nevertheless, the break of 2,700 should give further scope, but be aware, profit taking is just around the corner. So if we get closer towards the region of 2,740.60, it may see a sharp downturn. But the support from the trend line is seen around 2,640, but further up, the support comes in around 2,700. Wrapping up with oil, the market has posted its 6th consecutive day and now showing further weakness into the start of this week. Given the fact all the gains erased, the market now looks towards 66, 60.90 as a potential target and may find support there before bounce back to $70 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out the interest report and I hope you enjoy the great start to the new week.